occupied and unoccupied rooms. So, for example, if I have a sensor that actually detects motion, what it will do is that it will detect the motion and then it will put in occupied. If there is no motion present for over an hour, what it will do is go in standby. So, for example, if I go to one of my VAVs and I see no motion, I can go to my set points and saying, if I'm in standby, if my schedule is occupied and I'm in standby, I can have that standby set point be 2 degrees difference from an occupied set point. So if it's 2 degrees difference from an occupied set point, you can save some money compared to an unoccupied. If you want to know more information about motion or zone sensors, please contact Campbell Mechanical Services today.